Fine guys checking in.
What's his name? All right. Did Tiffany Lee get another sign in on another device? She was the first one. All right, let's start with Ms. Blagowski. Good morning to you, Ms. Blagowski. Can you unmute yourself, please? Call them. I'm so sorry. You don't have a printer.
Well, that's what we're trying to figure out.
All right, how do we unmute Ms. Blagowski?
I don't see her, Your Honor.
Is she not here? She was here.
She
All
was.
right. There's another lawyer here. Here's Ms. Blagowski.
Oh, okay.
Ms. Blagowski?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Your client.
Hi, this is Tiffany Lee checking in.
All right, that's a lot better, Ms. Lee. Okay, just sit tight, Ms. Lee, and I'm gonna get Ms. Blagowski. What's your client, Ms. Blagowski?
He's right here with me today.
All right, the name, please.
It is Jonathan Jimenez Gell, or something like that.
I have a Francesco Jimenez.
Your Honor, he's the first one on 835.
We're having trouble with this computer as well, too. All right,
Have you been printing stuff?
I just tried to print.
Okay, just, it's still. It went down about.
Your Honor, can you just put us in the breakout room because we're gonna have to talk about this matter?
Who is that? You and Mr. Blagowski?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Miss- Gonna be a long day, huh?
Yeah.
Ms. Mathis, could you run me the SOS on Mr. Jimenez Google?
I'm having some technical difficulties. Once I get up and running, we can go back to that, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, it's gonna be very long. And by the way, you know, I have 2 other courtrooms today, Your Honor, so I would be jumping in and out.
Okay,
Okay. Judge, try to send something. See what
I just did.
you just
It
did.
should be already in the system.
Oh.
One problem is solved.
Hope so.
Mr. Bachman, good morning to you. Okay, let's go ahead with Mr. Bach, Peter Bach. Beck.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Who's your client?
My client is Mr. Garcia, Jose Marco Garcia.
All right, he's got the never acquired, driver's license never acquired.
What I have is disregard of red signal, no proof of insurance, and no receipt or signed registration.
Does he have a hyphenated last name?
His last name is spelled, it's Garcia, Garcia -ARREGUN.
Your Honor, he's on page 3 under 845 towards the bottom of the list.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Let's see here.
Does Mr. Garcia need an interpreter, Your Honor? Should I inquire?
You can, please.
Señor Garcia, ¿necesita usted un intérprete?
Yes.
All right, let's start.
Bien, gracias.
Ms. Villarreal.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right hand. Can you state your name for the record, Ms. Villarreal?
Yes, Evelyn Villarreal, certified court interpreter.
All right, do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that you will, to the best of your ability, interpret from Spanish to English and English to Spanish?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Good morning to you. And the pronunciation of that last name, Garcia, R-U-N.
Garcia. Señor, ¿puede usted pronunciar su apellido?
Yes.
Pronúncielo.
Garcia.
No, no, pronunciarlo, hablarlo.
Garcia. Arreguín.
Garcia Araguin.
All right. This is the city of Detroit. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Garcia Argument, case number SP13157006. Count 1, 2, and 3. SP13157081. Appears for the record.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus José García Araguín, número SP 13157081. Que todos digan sus nombres para que conste en el acta, por favor.
José Marco Antonio García Arreguín.
José Antonio García Araguin.
Appearance on the record, Counselor.
Licenciado, ponga su nombre, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Bien, you. José Marco Antonio García Arreguín.
José Marco Antonio García Araguin.
I'm asking for your counselor's appearance, please.
No estamos pidiendo que su abogado diga el nombre de él.
For the record, Your Honor, Peter Beck, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Garcia.
All right, you went inaudible, Counselor.
Con su permiso, soy el licenciado Beck representando al señor Araguín. Señor licenciado, no lo podemos oír bien. Entra y sale su voz.
Couldn't hear you, Counselor.
I beg your pardon, Your Honor.
We couldn't hear you. Your thing went inaudible.
No podíamos oírlo bien a usted, pero entraba y salía su voz. Me alegro de poder oírlo ahora.
All right, we're having problems. You need to put your appearance on the record, Counselor. We could not hear you.
Your Honor, again, for the record, Peter Beck, that's B-E-C, bar number P10598, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Garcia.
Repito, su señoría, que mi nombre es Peter Beck y mi número es P10558, representando al señor García.
All right, today is the date and time for a show cause. That's for purposes of arraignment. Counselor, go ahead.
Este es el día que tenemos designado para uno mostrar causa. Con propósito a la lectura de cargos, licenciado, usted puede proceder.
Your Honor, with regards to the show cause, we're going to enter a plea of not guilty.
Su señoría, con respecto a el tener que mostrar causa, vamos a declararnos no culpables.
Like I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client to have given a $0 bond. We're gonna get your client offer. Ask for, is your client willing to do community service?
Your Honor, I could not hear the last sentence you said.
I'm asking, is his client willing to do community service?
Thank you, Your Honor. Entonces voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente. Le voy a dar una fianza de $0. Y le pregunto a usted si su cliente le gustaría hacer servicio comunitario.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Goss?
Señor Goss.
Maybe we should take a little recess until we can get it together. Okay, did you try to say something? No, he said, hold on. He said, hold on. He said, it's too many jobs. Okay, I'm just trying to move things along. No, take your time. No rush. No, take your time.
I need 5 for Garcia.
Garcia. What's that?
Arguin, Jose Garcia. Last
Arguin.
page, 845 down at the bottom.
All right, thank you.
We're gonna have to get offers in these files. I don't know why. All right, the offer for your client today is pleading to the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and pleading responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. It'll be 18 hours of community service. We'll dismiss the allowing upon completion. We'll dismiss the other matters today if he takes the deal.
Bueno, la oferta que tenemos hoy para su cliente es esta. Si él se declara culpable al cargo modificado de haberle permitido a un chofer sin licencia a conducir y se declara responsable haber bloqueado tránsito, le pedimos que él cumpla 18 horas de servicio comunitario y cuando las haya cumplido, el caso de haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia a conducir queda desestimado y hoy mismo podemos desestimar el cargo de que estaba bloqueando tránsito, que fue un cargo que modificamos.
Your Honor, my client will avail himself of entering a plea of he will enter a plea. He will enter. Okay.
Tu señoría, mi cliente sí va a aceptar una declaración.
He wishes to enter a plea of responsible to the blockade traffic.
Él quiere declararse responsable al cargo de que estaba bloqueando tránsito.
And the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Y que con respecto al cargo modificado de haberle permitido a un chofer sin licencia a conducir. ¿Qué dice?
Yes.
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 I need a good phone number for your client.
Necesito que me dé un buen número de teléfono para su cliente.
My phone number. 313-970-6122.
All right, I got you on speakerphone.
Your Honor,
Yes.
would you please update his mailing address?
What is
Su
that?
señoría, pedimos que puedan actualizar la dirección que él tiene ahora.
What's his mailing address?
It's 3517 Military Street.
¿Y cuál es la dirección de él? Es la 3517 de la calle Military.
And that's in Detroit, Michigan,
Y eso se encuentra en Detroit, Michigan,
48210.
48210.
The client raise his right hand, please.
Le pedimos a su cliente que levante la mano derecha, por favor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Yes.
Yes.
You can put your hand down, please.
Ya puede bajar la mano, por favor.
Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿comprende usted que la pena máxima pudiera ser 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Yes.
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio?
Yes.
Yes.
Stand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
¿Y comprende usted que al aceptar este acuerdo de culpabilidad, usted renuncia el derecho de un juicio?
Yes.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha prometido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya se ha dicho y que consta en el acta?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody's offered you, has anybody offered you anything other than we said this morning?
¿Alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos dicho esta mañana?
Nope.
No.
You understand if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues.
¿Comprende usted que si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, una condena de un delito menor puede causarle problemas con inmigración?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let me draw your attention back to February 17th, 2022, at around 6:45 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McGraw and Trenton Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Así que, señor, permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 17 de febrero del 2022, aproximadamente a las 6:45 de la noche, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de McGraw y Trenton. ¿Tuvo usted la oportunidad de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, that day that officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Y en ese momento le pidieron a usted que les enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you couldn't produce that license, could you, sir?
Y esa licencia usted no se la pudo enseñar. ¿Es eso correcto, señor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could produce a license?
No.
¿Usted pudo mostrar una o no pudo?
No. No.
No, no.
And why is that?
¿Y por qué razón?
I don't have it.
All right, very well.
I don't have.
I'm gonna find you guilty of the admitted count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive as it relates to the disregard the red signal, counselor, where your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
Así
Yes,
como
Your Honor.
aceptar su declaración de culpable al cargo modificado de haberle permitido un chofer sin licencia a conducir. Con respecto a que usted desobedeció la señal roja, licenciado, ¿está usted dispuesto a aceptar lo que dice la boleta de infracción? Sí, su señoría.
And will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Y su cliente está dispuesto a indicar que hay causas razonables para desestimar el otro asunto.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the admitted count of blocking traffic That's gonna be in lieu of fines and costs. It's gonna be a total of 18 hours of community service. We'll dismiss the allowing upon completion and close the blocking traffic out upon completion. And I'm dismissing the other matters now.
Bien, entonces aceptamos la declaración de responsable por haber bloqueado tráfico. Le vamos a pedir que cumpla 18 horas de servicio comunitario. Tan pronto las haya cumplido, entonces desestimamos los cargos de haber permitido a un chofer sin licencia a conducir y también se va a desestimar el haber bloqueado tráfico.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need you to get in contact with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center at 313-879-3155 this afternoon. I'm setting a review for August the 24th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. You have those hours completed by then, we'll dismiss the case.
Bien, entonces quiero que usted esta misma tarde llame al número 313-879-3155 para que pueda hacer los arreglos para cumplir sus horas de servicio comunitario. Se revisa este caso el 24 de agosto del 2022 a las 8:25 de la mañana. Y en ese momento, cuando usted se presente y podemos confirmar que ha cumplido sus horas de servicio comunitario, el caso queda desestimado.
Your Honor, may I confirm that telephone again? It's 313, the area code, 879-3155.
Su señoría me permite poder confirmar ese número de teléfono de nuevo. ¿Es el 313-879-3155?
No, it's 2155.
No, es 2155.
Very well, thank you.
Muy bien, gracias.
All right, if there's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day.
Bien, y si
Thank
no
you,
tiene
Your Honor.
nada
You as
más que
well.
decir, que usted y su cliente pasen un buen día.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Good morning.
This is, who's that? Hold on a
It's
second.
Ruben. You had called my name earlier, but I couldn't unmute the computer.
What's your last name, sir? Ruben what?
Padilla Galindo.
All right. I don't see him on there.
It's under your honor,
Yes.
under 8:25 a.m.
I got it. All right, there we go. Let's do it over.
It's
All
the
right.
plastic stuck in it.
This is, he's a new one. Tell him to get back on the phone.
What do you mean, help desk?
Yes.
Okay, hold on.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Ruben Galindo, case number SP 131-07981. Mr. Day is the date and time set for review in the matter. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, I don't. Thank you.
Okay, let's see if you've done, okay, I see you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. You did those 12 hours of community service. With that, we are going to dismiss that case. Let's see if you have anything else. Yeah. All right, we're going to dismiss that case, sir. There's nothing further. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
All right. Joel.
Buenos días.
Is he actually?
Joel, go ahead. Gallegos, Ayala.
Joel Gallegos.
Sí, soy yo.
Ayala. Yes, that is me.
It's like plastic.
Listen, tell them, put them on.
Yeah.
Hold on 1 second. right, Mr. Gallegos, Gala.
All right, Steve, let us know when you can help us. All right, bye-bye.
This is the city, is he there? Gallegos?
Gallegos
Joel?
Ayala, ¿está usted presente?
Sí, aquí estoy.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Joel Gallegos Ayala, case number SP 127-42181. Today is the date and time set for a review. State your name for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Joel Gallegos Ayala, número de caso SP 1274-2181. Diga su nombre para que conste el acta, por favor. Estamos aquí para el propósito de revisar el caso.
Joel Gallegos Ayala.
Joel Gallegos Ayala.
All right, you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see you completed those 12 hours of community service. Thank you for your service, sir. With that, we're going to dismiss your case.
Veo aquí que le habíamos pedido que cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Veo también que usted ya las cumplió. Le doy las gracias y con eso ya puedo desestimar el caso.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, who else is here for a review?
¿Quién más está aquí para una revisión
I'm here
de
for
su
a review.
caso?
Oliver Cortés.
Margarita Guzmán. Cortés.
I'm here for a review.
Eduardo Cruz Ríos.
Eduardo Cruz.
Hold on, let's just one at a time. I got Mr.
Un
Lewis.
momentito. Uno por uno, por favor.
Eduardo
Oliver
Cruz
Cortés.
Ríos.
Yes. Eduardo Oliver Cortés.
No, Oliver Cortés.
Hold on a
Oliver,
second.
no, Oliver Cortés.
Mr. Lewis, have you completed your community service?
Okay.
Eduardo Cruz Ríos.
I can't hear you.
Have you completed your community service?
I don't think I was scheduled any community service to do.
So what were you scheduled, what are you here for a review on?
Driving tickets.
So you haven't paid anything?
I did.
Oiga, disculpe.
I paid like 4 tickets.
But you still owe a lot of money.
I tried calling up to the court.
This is the city of Detroit versus Wayne. You gotta mute them, please. City of Detroit versus Dwayne Anthony Lewis, case number SP 105-03822. SP 108-0039. 11333-693. SP 941-761, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11769-351. SP 124-53101. State your name for the record, sir.
My name is Dwayne Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. Map. I don't know. Let's see. Any of these are able to close out? No. No pay. Are you working, sir?
No, I'm not working. I must have paid the wrong tickets then.
Okay. All right. you're just gonna get a I'm not even gonna give another review. Just, I'm gonna give you a pay by date. I'm gonna give you 90 days to pay it. If you don't pay it by then, it's just go into warrant status again. I'll give you until November the 2nd, 2022 to pay it.
How many of them did I have to pay, or how much did I have to pay? I wasn't sure.
How old are you?
Excuse? I can't hear you.
I said, how old are you?
I'm 25.
All right. You have a whole lot of tickets to pay. You got. It's just 2 minutes. I mean, it's 1, 2. Are you Dwayne Anthony Jr.?
Yeah.
Oh, 12 tickets, $2,000 worth. All right. If it's nothing further, I'll give you until November the 2nd, 2022. If you want to call back in and get some community service done or something, we can work it out, but we'll just call back in tomorrow or sometime next week and we can work out some community service for you, all right?
All right. How much community service I have to do?
We'll call back in and we'll work it out, all right?
All right.
All right, have a good day, sir. Call back in tomorrow.
My phone breaking up.
Call back in tomorrow, okay?
All right.
All right, have a good day. All right. Another person.
Oliver Cortez.
Hello. Hello, my name is Stephon Gaines. I'm trying to see if anybody checking in.
Your Honor, Mr. Gallegos did not leave because he had something to ask you.
What's going on,
Oh, no,
Mr. Guy?
se me salió la llamada, entró una llamada, me metí del video ahí porque una llamada. No sé si ya tenga que hacer algo más o ya sería todo.
I had a call coming in. I wasn't able to find out. Am I able to leave now? Was that it?
Yes, that's it. Your case is going to be dismissed.
Sí, ya se terminó su caso. Vamos a desestimar el caso contra usted. Ya se puede.
Para revisión, Oliver Giovanni Cortés.
Hello, my name is Stephon Gaines. I was seeing if somebody checked me in.
You're checked in. Gaines?
8:30. We got
Yes,
you,
sir.
Mr. Gaines.
All right.
All right, thank you.
And I'm sorry, Krista Marie Medina here. I think my client, Mr. Ortega, is on as well.
See you.
Thank you, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. All right, let's go with Miss Godowski.
Morning.
Is it all worked out?
Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Jonathan Jimenez Gould, case number SP126-11331, SP126-11181. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, does he need an interpreter?
No, thank you very much. No.
Thank you.
Rachel Glogowski, P74194.
Okay, good morning to you, Ms. Glogowski. Let me see, today's the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. I think Jonathan Jimenez Gould's file. What is your client gonna do?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd like to take advantage of the community service program and also take advantage of the government's offer of pleading to amended charges, unlimited access 6 to 10 with a dismissal of the insurance.
limited access 6 to 10, and dismissal of the other matter
Yes, Your Honor.
is at the top of 8:35.
I see Jimenez.
All right. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Limited access 6 to 10, and dismissal of the other matter. All right, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna find your client stipulate the probable cause for the stop.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna find your client guilty of responsible to the amended count of limited access 6 to 10. That's gonna be 1 point on your client's driver's license and 8 hours of community service in lieu of fines and costs. And I'm gonna dismiss the other matter. And I need a good phone number for your client.
313-458-6084.
You have the number to 313-879-2155 to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna give him a review date. August the 24th. I'm gonna be here August. No, I'm gonna be here August. I'm sorry. Let me, August the 31st. August the 31st, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. You need to get in contact with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. All right.
And if I just may place one additional thing on the record, you did order him to complete the Michigan driving defensive class last time, and he did complete that. And I emailed the certificate to Mr. Goss this morning.
Okay, can you email that certificate to me as well, Ms. Bogowski?
Yes, I don't have the court's email address. Would you mind?
I'll put it in the chat.
Thank you very much. I'll email it immediately after the hearing. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Further, you and your client have a very good day.
Thank you. You too, Your Honor. Have a nice day.
Good morning, Judge.
Who's that? I see you.
This is Bermuda's, Your Honor.
I was wondering if I was checking.
Yeah, you checked in, Mr. Michael Turrell. I think now is the time. Let's get the lawyers out of here. Who else is there?
Judge, Bermuda's here.
I know that, Mr. Bermudez. I know that.
Can I come back in about 15 minutes? I have an in-person sentencing in Hathaway and Recorder's Court.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll be back in about 15 minutes. Thank you,
Yes.
Your Honor.
Are you an attorney? Where are any other lawyers? Ms. Medina, are you there? All right, hearing no response. All right, let's move on. All right. what's the gentleman's name in the iPad? He mentioned iPad, day,
Oliver
Giovanni.
Cortés. Oliver
No.
Cortés.
Oliver Cortez.
He's at the top of the docket, Your Honor. It's Cortez Hernandez.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Oliver Cortez Hernandez, case number SP 125-88091. State your name for the record, sir.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Oliver Cortés Hernández, número de caso SP 125-88091. Diga su nombre, señor.
Oliver Cortés. Oliver
Al-
Giovanni Cortés Hernández.
Oliver Giovanni Cortez Hernandez.
All right. Today is the date and time set for review in the matter.
Este es el día y esta es la hora que habíamos designado para revisar el asunto.
I don't see that you completed community service, sir.
No veo aquí que usted haya completado su servicio comunitario, señor.
Yo tengo mi hoja de que tengo todo completo porque el servicio comunitario lo hice en abril y mi primer review era en mayo y el juez me dijo que no necesitaba estar en la audiencia, pero seguí teniendo problemas y yo fui a donde hice el servicio comunitario y dijeron que ya habían mandado todos los documentos y dijeron que todo iba a estar bien.
Okay, well, I'm all done. I did all my community service back in April. I had a review for May 1st, but the judge had said that I did not need to appear, but I continue to have problems. I checked with the people where I did the community service and they confirmed that I had indeed done it.
Mr. Phillips.
Yo hice mi servicio comunitario con, ¿cómo se llama? Mi servicio comunitario lo terminé el 10 de mayo. Solo eran 12 horas.
Completed all my community service on May 5th.
Y me mandó doña Carmencita Montello.
And Carmencita Buentello sent.
Mr. Mateo on. Mr. Phillips, are you there?
Sí, pero bueno, ella me mandó.
This is what I was sent.
Okay.
¿Entendido?
All right, I'm gonna, they're having some difficulty over there at the Justice Center. I'm gonna accept that as completed, and I'm gonna dismiss your case, sir.
Están teniendo unos problemas técnicos allá en el Centro de Justicia, pero yo voy a aceptar lo que usted me ha dicho. Voy a tomar esto como que usted ya ha completado sus horas, señor, y voy a desestimar el caso. Thank you.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Otra pregunta, señor juez. Debido a ese problema que doña Carmencita me dijo que tenían problemas con la información de la secretaría, me mandaron una carta que quieren suspender mi licencia. ¿Yo puedo renovar mi licencia o no? Porque yo no quiero que la suspendan por algo que ya hice.
Your Honor, I have a question for you. When I spoke to Ms. Carmencita, and I was notified by the Secretary of State that they were going to suspend my license. I do not want to have my license suspended. Do you know about this?
Your license should not be suspended for this, sir.
Su licencia no la deberían haber suspendido debido a esto, señor.
Okay.
Your license should not be suspended for this.
Su licencia no la deben suspender debido a esto.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Have a great day, sir. Good
Que
luck.
pase
Gracias.
un buen día, señor. Thank you.
Gracias, señor juez.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Buenos días, yo soy Margarita Guzmán y estoy también para revisión de mi caso.
Good morning. My name is Margarita Guzman, and I am also here for a review of my case.
This is the city of Detroit versus Wendy Valdez Enriquez, case number SP 133-06981.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Wendy Valdez Enriquez, número de caso SP 13306-981. Diga su nombre.
Wendy Astrid Valdez Enrique.
Wendy Astrid Valdez Enriquez.
Okay, you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service, ma'am. I see you completed those 12 hours of community service. With that, I'm going to dismiss your case, ma'am.
Veo que habíamos ordenado que usted cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Veo también que usted ya las cumplió. Reconociendo eso, señora, voy a desestimar su caso.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Great day.
Y que pase usted un muy buen día.
Muchas gracias igual.
Thank you very much. I wish you the same.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Margarita Guzman Morales, case number SP 127-97581. Ms. Morales, can you state your name for the record, please?
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Margarita Guzmán Morales, número de caso SP 127-97581. ¿Puede usted decir su nombre, por favor, para que conste en el acta?
Sí, mi nombre es Margarita Guzmán Morales.
Yes, my name is Margarita Guzman Morales.
I see you are ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I have confirmation that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We appreciate that, ma'am. With that, we're going to dismiss your case.
Veo aquí que le pedimos a usted que cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Tengo confirmación que usted los cumplió. Agradecemos que usted lo haya hecho y con eso puedo ya desestimar su caso.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you so very much.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
Y que pase usted muy buen día, señora.
Igualmente ustedes, muchas gracias.
Same to everyone here. Thank you very much.
Mr. Jacob Santillana here. Jacob Santillana, Jacob Marco Santillana. No.
Jacob Marcos Santillana está presente.
Nope. Right here, sir.
Jacob Marco Santillana.
I'm right here, sir.
All right. Let's see.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jacob Marco Santillana, case number SP 127-13021, SP 127-17741. Can you state your name for the record, please, sir?
Jacob Marco Santillana.
Okay. You were ordered to do 18 hours of community service. I see you completed those 18 hours of community service. We appreciate that. For SP 127-13021, we're going to dismiss this case. And for SP 127-17741, we're going to close that case out. So you completed community service. All right, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day, sir.
You too, sir. Thank you.
I don't know, maybe it came from the parts.
Is
Coming out.
Sandro Hernandez here?
¿Está Sandro Hernández presente?
Sandro Ramirez Hernandez?
Sandro Ramírez Hernández.
Not really. Is it a person?
All right, what about the lawyers? Any lawyers in here from retained counsel? Ms.
I
Medina,
am,
who is your client?
Your Honor, Mr. Ortega. Alberto,
Alberto Ortega Hernandez?
that is correct, Your Honor. We are hoping to have a pretrial, Your Honor, with the prosecutor. So I know that it'll probably require another courtroom judge.
Does your client wish to do any community service to clear this up?
Your Honor, I did speak with him, and the issue is he had paid up a lot of the CI, so I'm hoping we could resolve it in a different way, Judge.
Your Honor, does he need an interpreter?
Yes, he does, Ms. Villarreal. Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Alberto Ortega Hernandez. Case numbers SP 1299091. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Alberto Ortega Hernández, número de caso SP 129-90931. Que digan su nombre para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Mr. Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Ortega Hernandez.
Crystal Marie Medina, representando al señor Alberto Ortega Hernández.
With regard to the arraignment, we would wait for formal reading and stand mute, Your Honor.
Con respecto a la lectura de cargos, renunciamos que nos lean los cargos formalmente y guardamos silencio, su señoría.
Your P number, Ms. Medina.
¿Y cuál es tu número?
See, 77211. I'm sorry, Ms. Villarreal. You would think I'd be used to this by now.
¿Y cuál es tu número de licenciada? Sí, P77211. Disculpe, señora Villarreal. Ya pensaría usted que ya yo estuviera acostumbrada a esto.
A woman enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dismiss related civil infraction.
Your Honor, I did not hear you're going to dismiss.
Yes, because he paid related civil infraction.
Lo que voy a hacer es lo siguiente. Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente. Le voy a dar una fianza de $0 y voy a desestimar asuntos relacionados.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. He did go ahead and do that. I've advised him not to do that in the future. Hopefully there is no future, but it was all paid up. Thank you, Judge.
Gracias, su señoría. Ya yo le aconsejé que en el futuro no vuelva a hacer eso, pero ya todo se ha pagado. Le doy muchas gracias, su señoría.
Thank you,
Que
Judge.
pasen muy buen día usted y su cliente. Gracias, su señoría.
And thank you, Ms. Villarreal. Always a pleasure.
Buenos días.
Pleasure seeing you, counsel.
Hey, Your Honor.
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Buenos días, soy Eduardo Cruz.
Good morning, I am Eduardo Cruz.
I know he's already said that many times.
Yo lo sé, usted ya ha dicho eso muchas veces.
Your Honor, this is James Phillips. Can you hear me?
Lo que pasa es que mi computadora se desconectó y quería que supieran que aún sigo aquí, ya lo volví a conectar.
The thing is that I got my computer disconnected, and I just wanted to let you know that I was able to connect again, and I am again here.
Very well.
Muy bien.
All right. Can you hear me, Mr. Phillips?
Yes, I can.
All right, very well. Is any other lawyers that haven't been client is here? All right, Mr. Timothy Satterfield.
Are you in a waiting room?
Mr. Satterfield.
You're gonna have to, okay. You're gonna have to.
All right, you were ordered to do these community service hours and they're not done.
Several people on Zoom.
I know, Your Honor. I had some family issues going on, but I will be scheduled. I'm scheduled to complete my hours by next Wednesday.
So you don't have
Are you gonna
control
complete them
over
by
your
next Wednesday?
personally?
Yes.
You're in the waiting, okay? So you're not forgotten, okay?
The city of Detroit versus Timothy Satterfield, case number SP 114041, SP 1326608, counts 1, 2, and 3. State your name for the record, sir.
Timothy Porter Satterfield.
All right, don't have me writing next week down and you coming in next week and not complete them. What, are you gonna have them done next week or not? You got
Yes, Your Honor.
50, got 49 hours to do it, according to this. I don't know if this is you can do 49 hours in 1 week?
Yes.
All right, review is gonna be set for August the 3rd, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. All right?
Thank you.
Nothing further, sir. Have a great day.
You as well. Thank you.
All right. Sandro Ramirez Hernandez and Sharon Denise Lever. All right. Let's go with Miss Tiffany Lee.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Very well. Good morning to you, ma'am. That's much
Oh, good
better.
morning to you.
It was coming through very, very distorted.
I was trying to use my tablet. I had to move to the iPhone.
Thank you. All right. This is the city of Detroit. We don't have
It's jammed up for real. They said Israel was gonna come back.
There's nobody else in there that can help.
They work here. And he said he told Israel was a good guy. So once Israel get a chance, he gonna come here. It's just, it's what he is. What do you need? You need
I need to get this. All right, so all right, we'll do it.
you need the summary.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus this is the city of Detroit versus Tiffany Michelle Lee, case number SD 9836941. V 120616620. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lee. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Tiffany Michelle Lee.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Okay, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give her a $0 bond. And Miss Lee, this dog ticket here. Good morning to you. Did you can, the city will allow you to get a dog license here. Do you want to take the time and bring back a dog license?
I don't have the dog anymore, Your Honor. So how can I rectify the situation?
Do you have proof that you don't have the dog anymore?
She is in Arkansas on my family's land. Like, she's not in Michigan anymore.
May it please this honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162 on behalf of the people. Your Honor, can you tell me what date that ticket was?
3/20, let's see. This ticket is on 7/8/2020, 2 years ago.
Okay, Your Honor, she can just plead to the allowing, and I'll dismiss the
let me say this. The allowing is written as a state charge, and I have a recommendation here: dismiss without prejudice with stipulation of probable cause on the allowing per plea to state. I don't know what they mean by that. Maybe per
Plea to city, right?
Maybe they didn't say that on here. It says per plea to state, but go ahead.
Yeah, I was gonna have her plead to that and dismiss the dog one.
Okay, so here are your options, ma'am. You can either take it to trial and see what you can do better, or you can plead to the allowing the unlicensed driver to drive, pay $240, or do 12 hours of community service, and then I'll dismiss the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and I'll dismiss the other case now. You won't have records. There's no points, and it's like an expensive. It'll become like an. It'll be dismissed. Which one would you like to do? I can put you in a breakout room with Mr. Bossman, I believe. Is that who's on this case? Or Mr. Berry?
Well, I would love for it to be dismissed. How much did you say the fine would be if I take the fine?
$240. Or you can set a trial date. You can't do much worse. You $240 though.
Right. I can do the $240. I kind of need to get this done so I can get my driver's license back.
This should not be affecting your driver's license now.
They told me that it's suspended. I don't know if it was for one of these tickets or do you guys have another ticket for me that would be suspended?
You have two other tickets that are in default from 2019. And what's really causing you the problems are there's no proof of insurance. That is a state charge as well. Let's do this. I think routinely the state will allow you to set aside those defaults. So we'll do that. Without having the benefit of having Miss Cole here, I know that in the past she's allowed those to be set aside. So I'm going to set aside those defaults and allow you to be heard on those. So now, Mr. Berry,
yes,
we're dealing. Are you on this case, Mr. Berry?
I am, Your Honor.
We're dealing with 4 tickets now. We'll say this. Pay the $120 for the defective equipment and the $240 for the allowing, and we'll dismiss everything else. Neither of those, the 120 is like an expensive parking ticket. And then we'll dismiss the no proof of insurance, and we'll dismiss the dog ticket.
Okay.
So that's going to be a total of $360. You'll be clear.
Okay. So when and where can I pay that? Do I need to go down to the courthouse?
You want to know when you can pay it.
Oh, I can. I'm trying to do it as soon as possible, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand, please.
Do
you swear or to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay, ma'am, I'm going to direct your attention to back to April the 2nd, 2019 at around 1:54 p.m. in the city of Detroit. Did you own a blue Dodge on that day, 2007?
Yes,
And did you allow your son to drive that Dodge on that day?
yes,
And you allowed your son to drive that Dodge knowing that he didn't have a valid driver's license, is that correct?
yes.
And, okay, Counselor, are you satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I'm satisfied as well. As for the defective equipment, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on that case?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And will your client stipulate the probable cause for everything else, for the dismissals of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of as written, defective equipment, $120. That's going to be I'm going to find your client guilty as charged to the $240 for the allowing. I'm going to dismiss the allowing upon payment, and I'm going to dismiss the I'm going to close out the defective equipment upon payment. When can you pay, ma'am?
I can pay today.
All right, you can pay that at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can pay that down here at the courthouse. If you pay that today, we'll dismiss those cases, close it out today. We're going to have to send a note to the abstract clerk for the proof of insurance that we're dismissing. And that's going to take 48 to 72 hours to get to the Secretary of State. Once that gets to the Secretary of State, then you will be you'll potentially be able to get your driver's license. I don't know if you don't have anything in the other jurisdictions. I'm going to put in here that all of this is going to be done by next week, August the 3rd, 2022 for review. If you get it done before then, you can join the room and we can pull your file and we'll look it up and we'll close it at that point. All right. But if not, I want you back next week on August the 3rd. No, let's not make it August the 3rd. Let's make it August the 2nd. Let's make it August the 2nd, 2022, and we'll close it out then, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, if you need some other instructions, make sure you call the court. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day.
You have a wonderful day as well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right, Francesco, iPhone, let's see what he's got going on. Let's see if there's any more reviews in here. Francesco, iPhone, what's your name, sir?
Persona que tiene el iPhone, en nombre de Francesco, diga su nombre completo, por favor.
Francisco Jimenez.
Francisco Jimenez.
Okay, very well. Do you want to do do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, I do not.
Do you want to do some community service to clear this stuff up?
Well, how would that work?
All right, I'll explain it to you. You're Francesco Javier Jimenez, right?
Yes.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Francesco Javier Jimenez. Case number is SP 1312874, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 132842251. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record, please.
Francisco Javier Jimenez.
Your Honor, we're going to waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint and stand mute for arraignment purposes. Thank you.
You said Javier?
Francesco Javier. All right, I'm going to enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give him a $0 bond. And he has, do you have insurance on this vehicle, sir?
Yes, I do.
Are you able to produce that insurance?
Yes.
All right, I need to see valid insurance. Let me see it.
Okay, let me grab it for you.
Brenda Ramirez is going to be next.
Your Honor, Brandon Gomez Espinosa is also here for review.
Is he here? Okay. We'll
Okay.
give him next. See if he's completed his purpose. I don't see him have completed the community service.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yeah, I sent Carmencita my hours, but I don't think she got them.
All right, we're Mr. Can you check into that, Mr. Phillips, for Mr. Gomez Espinosa, Brandon Gomez Espinosa?
Gomez Espinosa?
Yes.
Yeah. And when did you send it to her?
I sent them to her yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Have the insurance, or are you still waiting?
I have it right here.
All right, see what you have, sir. Looking. You can see that. Push it closer. Slide over to your left. To your left. That's a little bit more. Okay. All right. All right. So with that, I will offer your client 8 hours of community service. I will dismiss the insurance. I'll offer 8 hours of community service for the amended count of blocking traffic for the disregard of red signal, and I'll dismiss the other 2 counts. You want to take that deal, sir?
Well, that's the question that I have. With the community service, how would I go about completing that?
You're going to get in touch with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, and they'll set you up for community service. I'll give you until you shouldn't take that long. I'll give you till August 31st to complete it, though.
Okay.
We'll give you the phone number. Other cases will be dismissed. If you have an absolute right to a trial if you want, and you can go to your alphabet judge. I'll send you to the other courtroom if you want to fight the cases.
Well, I'll just do the community service hours.
What's your phone number, sir?
313-658-5161.
And I need you to write this number down over at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Okay.
All right, 313-879-2155.
Okay, I got it.
All right. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, and will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated. Thank you.
All right, for SP 1312874, count 1, I'm going to find your client responsible for the admitted count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. I'll allow him to do 8 hours of community service. And I'll dismiss count 2 in SP 1328425-1. I'll dismiss as well. I'm going to give your client a review date of August the 31st, 2022 at 8:25. If those things are done, sir, you will close that other blocking traffic out. All right, get in contact with Mr. Phillips over there at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center this afternoon, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, have a good one. Ms. Ramirez.
Señora Ramírez?
Sí, aquí estoy.
Yes, I'm here.
Can I get Brenda Ramirez Marcia's file, please?
Brenda Ramirez.
Your Honor,
Yes.
on Mr. Espinosa, I'm not able to get into Ms. Guantello's emails. So if he sent it by her email, we won't be able to get that until she returns. She had to leave on a family issue.
She gave me a phone number to send her the hours to.
Does he have a
Yeah, it was on a phone number.
hold on a second. Does he have a piece of paper indicating, do you have something to show that you did it?
Yes.
Let's see it. Where are you?
I'm trying to turn my camera.
How does that look to you, Mr. Phillips?
It looks pretty good. It's signed by Zachary. Yes.
Does it say it's completed the community service? The hours and everything?
Can we see it again?
Well, he wouldn't get that if he didn't complete all the hours, 2, 2.5, that's, well, hold on, pull it back a little bit. 2, 2.5, that's 4.5, 3.5, that's 7 and 8, 4, that's 12. All right, This is the City of Detroit versus Brandon Gomez Espinoza, case number SP 126-49041. Strike that, state your name for the record, sir.
Brandon Gomez Espinoza.
Okay, you were ordered to do, all right, put that down, sir. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that, I'm confirmed by that sheet that you held up. You still need to make sure that Ms. Quinteo or Mr. Phillips gets that sheet. I'm going to dismiss the case of completing community service. All right.
Okay.
SP 126. One. Nothing further, sir. You have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Still waiting on Sandro Ramirez Hernandez and Sharon Denise Weber, but all right, let's go with this is the City of Detroit versus Brenda Ramirez Macia. Case number SP 1301382, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos al caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Brenda Ramírez Macías, números de caso SP 1301382, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Ramirez. State your full name, Ms. Ramirez.
Soy Elwood Berry Jr. representando a la señora Ramírez. Diga su nombre completo, señora Ramírez.
Brenda Areli Ramírez Macías.
Brenda Areli Ramírez Macías.
What I'm gonna do with these cases, I'm gonna dismiss the cases. Ms. Ramirez Macias was here and completed community service for a related case that's been dismissed, and these cases should have been dismissed as well.
Lo que voy a hacer yo es desestimar estos casos que tenemos aquí. La señora Ramírez estuvo aquí y cumplió con su servicio comunitario para un caso relacionado. Por eso voy a desestimar estos casos.
All right, any questions, Mr. Ramirez?
¿Alguna pregunta que usted tenga, señora Ramírez?
No, sería todo. Muchas gracias.
No, that's it. Thank you very much.
Y mucho gusto en conocer al juez. Me tocó conocerlo en las horas comunitarias. Muy amable.
And it's been my pleasure meeting Your Honor. I got to meet him when I was doing community service.
Yes, yes, you did. Good
See?
to meet you, ma'am. I'll see you next time. Maybe I'll see you again up there. No,
Y
not
un placer
that.
verla. La veo usted la próxima vez. Oh, no.
No, no.
I know you're coming to the hockey games, aren't you?
Yo sé que usted va a venir al partido de hockey, ¿no?
Espero.
Well, I hope to.
Well, I'll probably see you then.
Okay.
Entonces yo la veré para ese entonces.
Okay, gracias. Bye.
Okay,
All right,
thank you.
Adiós.
Que tenga usted un día muy bueno.
Gracias igualmente.
Thank you. Same to you.
All right, thank you. Okay, the iPad de Giovanni. Where is he?
Dice iPad de Giovanni. ¿Quién es ese?
Your Honor, we did him. His name was Oliver Cortez Hernandez.
Thank you. And then there's Wendy Elizabeth. Where is Elizabeth? Is she in the breakout room? It doesn't look as bad as it looked in the beginning. All right, let's go with Shannon Crowder. Please unmute yourself.
Shannon Crowder.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Shannon Lee Crowder. Case number SP 133-09011, SP 133-0916, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Moffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Ms. Crowder, your full name, please.
Shannon Crowder.
Thank you.
You're
All right,
welcome.
today is the date and time set for arraignment.
So we'll waive any more formal reading of the information or complaint and stand mute for arraignment purposes, Your Honor.
Okay, and for the purposes of arraignment, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give her a $0 bond. Ms. Crowder, you want to get some community service to clear this up? I'll offer you 12 hours of community service.
Yes, sir.
You want to do that?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? I need Shannon Crowder's. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Ma'am, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna draw your attention back to March the 22nd, 2022 at around 5:18 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Boulevard and Howard Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to become encountered with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
And that date, will that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No,
And why is that?
because I don't have a license, sir.
All right, very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other two counts, Counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, and ma'am, so I'll find her guilty as amended count of allowing. I'll order you to do 12 hours of community service.
Okay, yeah.
I have a good phone number from you.
You said what, sir?
I need a good phone number from you.
313.
All right.
551-9055.
And you have the number over to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
No, sir.
You have ink pen?
Yes, go ahead, sir.
313-879-2155.
Okay, thank you.
All right, I need you to get in contact with them over there this afternoon. Mr. Phillips, you can call Mr. Phillips. He can set you up with those community service hours. I'm going to give you a review date of August 31st, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. You get those hours done, we'll close this matter out and dismiss the case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, Ms. Crowder.
You too. Thank you.
Eduardo Cruz Rios.
Eduardo Cruz Rios.
Go ahead, Eduardo.
Sí. Aquí.
Yes.
Okay, this is the City of Detroit versus Eduardo Cruz Rios, case number SP 134-1909, counts 1 and counts 2.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Eduardo Cruz Ríos, números de caso SP 134-1909, cargos número 1 y 2. Que todos digan su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Appearance for the record, please.
Que digan sus nombres para que conste en el
Sí,
acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Cruz.
Listo. Elwood Berry Jr. representando al señor Cruz.
Ríos.
I am Mr. Cruz.
As it relates to arraignment, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
¿Y qué dice usted con respecto a la lectura de cargos, licenciado?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Nosotros renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, su señoría.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf from a $0 bond. Mr. Cruz, do you want to do some community service to clear this up?
Así que voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para el señor Cruz. Voy a darle una fianza de $0. Dígame, señor Cruz, ¿le gustaría a usted hacer servicio comunitario?
Claro que sí. Si no hay opción, también podría pagar una multa.
Of course I would, but do I have the option of paying?
No, if you want to pay, you're going to have to go to the other judge and see if you can do better than that. This is about community service in this courtroom today, sir. You're not assigned to me, except for the fact that you got your ticket out of Southwest Detroit.
No, señor. Si usted no quiere hacer las horas de servicio comunitario, entonces tendría que ir a otro juez. El juez que le tocaría a usted según su apellido, a ver si le hacen una mejor oferta. Usted está aquí y esta es la corte comunitaria. Y creo que le dieron una boleta a usted en el suroeste de Detroit y por esa razón me ha llegado a mí su caso.
So do you want to do community service, sir, or no?
Okay.
Así que quiere usted hacer
Estoy de
servicio comunitario,
acuerdo
señor.
en hacer servicio comunitario.
Yes, I can do community service.
Yes.
Yes.
Sí, así es.
Yes,
Can you
that
raise
is so.
your right hand, please?
Levante la mano derecha, por favor.
Do you swear or affirm that you will tell the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Claro que sí.
Of course, yes.
Sí, así lo voy a hacer.
Yes, yes, I will say that.
Okay, sir, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y señor, ¿comprende usted que si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, una condena de un delito menor puede causarle problemas con inmigración?
Sí, lo sé.
Yes, I know that.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio?
Sí,
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
¿Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted renuncia a ese derecho de tener juicio?
sí,
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos dicho y que consta en el acta?
no, nadie.
No, no one.
And do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y comprende usted que la pena máxima en este caso pudiera ser 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Sí, lo entiendo.
Yes, I understand that.
Okay, sir, I'm going to draw your attention back to April the 15th, 2022 at around 9:25 p.m. in the area, in the city of Detroit, in the area of Schaefer and Lilliesdale, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Schaefer and what other street, Your Honor?
Schaefer and Lilliesdale.
Entonces, señor, le llamo la atención a la fecha del 15 de abril de 2022, aproximadamente a las 9:25 de la noche, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles Schaefer y Lilliesdale. Tuvo usted la oportunidad de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit.
Sí, así pasó.
Yes, that is what happened.
Did they ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y le pidieron a usted que les enseñara una licencia de conducir que estuviera vigente?
Así es.
That is true.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y usted no la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad?
Solo mostré una internacional, pero me dijeron que esa no es válida para ellos.
No, I was able to show an international license, but I was told that that was not valid according to them.
We've been through this before. I don't see why it's not valid.
Ya nosotros hemos hablado de esto anteriormente. Yo no sé por qué esto no lo aceptan como una licencia válida.
Sí, solo les di eso y les di mi pasaporte mexicano.
Yes, I just gave them that, plus I gave them my Mexican passport to look at.
You want to speak to him in a breakout room, Mr. Bachman?
Señor Bachman, ¿quiere usted hablar con él privadamente en una sala de consulta?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Sí, por favor, su señoría. Señor, ¿acepte la invitación para pasar a una sala privada?
Está bien.
Ok.
Ricardo, Arredondo, do you speak English? Ricardo Arredondo, he's gone. I was trying to get him, he's at work, it appears. Mrs. Valdez, do you need an interpreter, ma'am?
No, I do not.
See you got the little baby there. We're gonna try to get you out of here.
Okay, thank you.
Do you want to do community service, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
All right. All right, let's see what you have going on. Okay, you have a valid license?
No, not yet. I do have my permit. I'm in the process of making an appointment for my license this week, Thursday.
How old are you? How old are you?
I just turned 23 on July 10th.
All right, you run or drive, oh, we can't run our driver's license, can we?
See whether it's valid.
See whether it's valid.
Hold on, check.
This is the city of Detroit versus Charisma Valdez. Did I get that right?
Yes, sir.
Case number SP1327041, SP1327043, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Valdez. State your full name, Ms. Valdez.
Charisma Alize Valdez.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Okay, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give her a $0 bond. What about insurance, ma'am? Do you have valid insurance?
Yes, I do have insurance.
All right, let's see the insurance, please.
Okay. Okay, 1 second, please. Do you know, I'm sorry. I'm not sure how to turn my camera around on the computer. It's like,
See what you have there.
it's backwards. I'm not sure if you're able to read this.
Now that's not in your name, ma'am.
Yeah, it's under my partner's name. His name is also on my car.
Is it? Yeah, I would, and that's just not, that's a Ford, silver Ford 2016.
Yeah, it's Ford Fusion.
All right, I'm gonna accept that, but you may need to look into that. I don't know what the legal obligation is. If you, all right, I got a valid driver's license. What I'm gonna do now, ma'am, I'm going to offer you 8 hours of community service in lieu of fines and costs. We'll amend that speeding ticket to a blocking traffic if you want to do that.
Yes, sir.
All right, you want to take that deal?
Yes.
And I'll dismiss the other 2 tickets.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Berry, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other two matters?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Right, with that, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. And in lieu of fines and costs, I'm gonna allow you to do 8 hours of community service. And I'm gonna dismiss the other two matters now. I do need a good phone number from you, ma'am.
Okay, it is 313-492-8737.
And I need you to take this number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. You'll do your community service through the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I am ready.
313-879-2155.
313-879. Can you repeat the last few numbers? I'm sorry.
2155, 879-2155. That's 313-879-2155.
Okay.
With that, you come back on August 31st, 2022, and we will, with those completed, we'll close the matters out. All right.
Okay, thank you so much.
Have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
You too.
Mr. Arredondo, do you have do you speak English, sir? You have to unmute yourself.
Yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Ricardo Arredondo, case number SP 129-61071. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Arredondo. State your full name, Mr. Arredondo.
Ricardo Arredondo.
Your Honor, a show cause, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Okay, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Do you have valid insurance for this vehicle, sir?
Yes.
He borrowed it?
Show me the proof of that insurance, sir.
Well, maybe we need to take him to child services. Because,
Just a minute.
no, okay, so you see what she has. She and she can share it with the rest of you. We need a prayer. I mean, because we should take prayer because we did. We gotta do something.
All right, with that, I'm gonna dismiss your matter for providing valid documentation, all right?
Right now. You're in the good.
Who is that? That's Israel?
Judgment.
That's Israel? All right, this is, we're gonna dismiss the case, sir. If it's nothing further, you have a very good day. You provided valid documentation, all right?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Perez Morel. Good morning, Miss Maya Morris.
Good morning.
What about Perez Diana? Perez Diana Perez Morel. Are they still here? I'm gonna bring these other people out of the breakout room.
And are we ready on Eduardo Cruz Rios?
Okay, Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Eduardo Cruz Rios. I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Madam Interpreter, you're on mute.
Thank you so much, counsel. Volvemos y llamamos el caso de Eduardo Cruz Ríos. Le di una oportunidad de hablar con el abogado en una sala privada. Dígame, licenciado, ¿qué quieren hacer?
Your Honor, the defendant has been advised with respect to the validity of his foreign driver's license, and he's also been directed towards information to help him as a Michigan immigrant. But he's also going to accept the terms and conditions for community service here today. Thank you.
Su señoría, ya le aconsejé, le dejé saber que la licencia de que él tiene cuenta es vigente aquí en el estado de Michigan y también le di información para ayudarlo a él como inmigrante que es. Ya le quiero dejar saber que queremos aceptar los plazos y las condiciones de servicio comunitario.
Sí, es correcto.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. Sir, can you raise your right hand, please? Oh, we already took the plea, didn't we? We already took the plea, didn't we?
I'm satisfied with the factual basis.
Bien, creo que ya él fue juramentado, ¿no? Yo quedo satisfecho de que hay un fundamento para establecer los hechos.
Okay.
You see that black stuff on there?
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Así que encuentro que su cliente es culpable del cargo modificado de haberle permitido a un chofer sin licencia a conducir y si el abogado está dispuesto a estar de acuerdo según el otro cargo, podemos proceder.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
All right, I'm gonna order you to do community service, sir. I need a good phone number from you.
Your Honor, I'm so sorry. I could not hear the number of hours.
12 hours of community service. I need a good phone number from him.
Señor, le voy a pedir a usted que cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario y necesito que usted me dé a mí un buen número de teléfono para usted.
Ok. Mi número es 248-802-4227.
Yes, my number is 248-802-4227.
All right, I need him to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. That would be Trace Uno Trace. 879. 2155.
Y señor, necesito que usted apunte este número que es para el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit. Y el número es 313-879-2155. 313-879-2155.
313-879-2155.
Is it
Okay, lo tengo.
313-879-2155? Okay, I got it.
Yes, contact Ms. Benteo tomorrow and set up those community service hours. I'll give you until August the 31st, 2022 to complete those hours, and I will dismiss the case upon completion, all right?
Bien, así que le pido yo a usted que mañana usted llame ese número de teléfono y pida hablar con la señorita Buentello para que puedan hacer los arreglos para que usted cumpla las horas que le he pedido. Necesito que cumpla esas horas de servicio comunitario a más tardar el 31 de agosto del 2022. Una vez que las haya completado, los cargos quedan desestimados.
Sí lo haré.
Yes, I will do that.
Give me a few. I'll make it work.
You review that.
Y la fecha de revisión,
August the 31st, 2022. If you don't have any further questions, sir, you have a very good day. Good luck to you.
y el caso se revisa el 31 de agosto del 2022. Si usted no tiene alguna otra pregunta, le deseo buen día.
No, no tengo ninguna otra pregunta, pero todo está bien y gracias por todo.
No, I have no other question, but everything's okay. And thank you for everything.
Thank you. Have a great day, sir.
Gracias y que usted pase un día muy bueno, señor.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Bye.
Said Nicholas Vega.
Nicholas Vega,
Yes, Your Honor.
do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Do you want to do some community service to clear this stuff up?
Yes, Your Honor. That would be okay.
This is the City of Detroit versus Nicholas Vega Jr. Case number SP 132-50241. SP 132-6494, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Vega. State your full name, Mr. Vega.
My full name is Nicholas Vega Jr.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Vega, you want to do, you said you do some community service. You have valid insurance for this vehicle, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right, can you provide the court with proof of that, please?
Yes, Your Honor, I will. You can see that. Can you see that, Your Honor?
Let's see what you have there. That is, push it a little closer.
Okay. I'm sorry about the shadow.
Okay, I'm satisfied with that. Okay, I'm gonna offer you 8 hours of community service in lieu of this driving in an unsafe manner. That driving in an unsafe manner is, I think, 2 or 3 points, but I'll amend it to a blocking traffic if you do 8 hours of community service. You wanna do that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Berry, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an actual factual basis for the responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And will your client stipulate to cause for the stop?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Dismissal of the other matter. Okay, I'm gonna dismiss SP 132-50241. You provided valid documentation. I'm gonna dismiss SP 132-6494, count 2, with that stipulation, and I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for SP 132-6494, number 1. In lieu of fines, this allow you to do 8 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Your Honor, my phone number is 313-953-3552.
All right, you need the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Whenever you're ready.
I'm ready, Your Honor.
313-879-2155. 313-879-2155. You'll contact Mr. Phillips this afternoon. I'll give you until August the 31st, 2022 to complete this community service hours. We'll set the review time for 8:25. If you don't have any further questions, sir, you have a very good day.
Your Honor, just one question. Upon completing the the community service hours, is there anything I have to follow up with? Or will the court be notified?
The court will be notified, Mr. Phillips, and then will do a very good job of notifying us ahead of time that you completed it. If you completed them, we'll close it out. But if you haven't completed them, I need to see you, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, what about Mr. Moises Bermudez? Is he there? Okay, on iPhone 37, what's your name, sir?
Yes. What's your
name?
Carlos. Carlos Gonzalez.
Carlos Gonzalez?
Yeah. Ven.
Soto Carlos Gonzalez?
Correct.
Yes.
You want to do some community service to clear this up, sir?
Would you like me to inquire if he needs an interpreter, Your Honor?
Yeah.
Señor, ¿necesita intérprete?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Soto Carlos Joe Gonzalez, case number SP 1278399, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 128-10931. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Soto Carlos Joel González, números de caso SP 128-10931, SP 127-8399299, cargos 1 y 2. Disculpe.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your full name.
Bueno, señoría, soy el señor Bafton representando al acusado. Señor, diga usted su nombre completo.
Carlos Joel González Soto.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. We will waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint and stand mute for arraignment purpose.
Gracias, señor. Nosotros vamos a renunciar que nos lean los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give him a $0 bond, and I'll ask your client, does he want to do some community service?
Bien, así que voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para el cliente. Le voy a dar una fianza de $0 y le quiero preguntar si él está dispuesto a cumplir servicio comunitario.
Sí, pero es que trabajo, estoy full time en el trabajo.
Yes, but I'm working full time at my job.
So do you want to do community service or not, sir?
Así que, ¿quiere usted hacer servicio comunitario o no, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. You're going to stay with me anyway. If you want to pay, I can just have you back on a different date. We'll get you another offer.
Bueno, el caso suyo de todos modos pertenece en mi sala de tribunal. Así que si usted quiere pagar, podemos darle otra fecha para regresar.
Y si se puede hacer eso,
en vez de hacer las horas comunitarias, ¿se puede pagar?
Can I do that? Instead of doing community service, can I just pay?
Well, we're going to bring you back on another date. On that date, if you can show me proof of insurance, I will give you a blocking traffic.
Bueno, pero tendría usted que regresar para otra fecha. Y ese día, cuando usted regrese, si me puede mostrar un comprobante de seguro, entonces yo puedo reducir al cargo a que estaba modificando tráfico. Que estaba bloqueando, perdona, el tráfico.
Ok, sí.
Ok, yes.
Do you have proof of insurance or do you want to bring it back later?
¿Usted tiene comprobante de seguro o usted quiere volver en otro día?
La aseguranza, pero ya se venció ayer. Otro día.
Return another day.
Give you a pre-trial date for August the 29th 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Así que le voy a dar la fecha para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Va a ser el 29 de agosto del 2022 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Ok.
Ok.
Okay, if there's nothing further, sir, I'll see you back on September 29th, 2022. The first one.
Your Honor, September or August.
September 29th, 2022.
Bien, señor, si usted no tiene nada más que decir, lo veré usted entonces el 29 de septiembre. Septiembre 2022.
Ok. El 29, right?
Okay, the 29th, right?
Of September, correct.
Sí, de septiembre, correcto.
Okay. Gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Que pase usted un muy buen día, señor.
Igualmente.
I wish you the same.
Garcia, argument.
All right. All right, Gaines, can you unmute yourself? Press *6 to unmute yourself. Are you there?
Stefan again? Yes, sir.
Stefan Gaines. Let me get Stefan Gaines. This is the city of Detroit versus Stefan Gaines. Case number SP 118633371. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of Mr. Gaines, state your full name, Mr. Gaines.
Stefan Gaines Jr.
All right.
For
Go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'm going to enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give him a $0 bond. This matter, reckless driving, is one of the more serious matters that we have. I have a copy of the ticket. Drove with a wanton and willful disregard for the safety of others. So all that is doing is reciting what the law says. It doesn't give me any facts and circumstances that that will arise to the what I would say would arise to the level of reckless driving. All the officer did in the notes is gave me a legal conclusion right there. I'm the one that determines, or you'll have a trier of fact, either be it by judge or jury, that will determine whether Mr. Stefan Gaines was created the willful and wanton disregard for the safety of others. So what does your client want to do, Mr. Berry? I can put you in a breakout room with him and you can discuss it.
Breakout room, Your Honor, please.
Very well. He's in there.
Okay.
All right. Past that matter, let's move on. Marwin Perez.
Marwin Pérez.
Sí, buenos días.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning to you, sir.
Buenos días a usted, señor.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Would you like to do some community service to clear this up?
¿Y a usted le gustaría hacer unas horas de servicio comunitario para aclarar ya esta situación?
¿Y de qué otra forma puedo solventar los.
And in what other way can I resolve this?
You would have to go to your alphabet judge if you want to resolve it any other way. We'll give you a 12 hours of community service. You'll come out of here without a misdemeanor record. We'll dismiss the case upon completion of the 12 hours of community service. Marlon Perez.
Bueno, entonces usted tuviera que pasar a otra sala de tribunal con otro juez, el juez que lo tocaría a usted según la primera letra de su apellido. Pero si gusta, hoy mismo podemos resolver la situación. Le damos 12 horas de servicio comunitario y cuando las haya cumplido, los cargos quedan desestimados y usted no va a tener antecedentes penales. No se va a reflejar como que si usted tuvo un delito menor.
Lo que pasa es que trabajo tiempo completo y y me es un poquito complicado de hacer servicio comunitario.
The thing is that I work full time, and so it's a little bit complicated for me to be able to do community service.
We didn't get a chance to explain the court what to the individuals today since there was so many people. Today is the for a community court, sir. You wouldn't normally be in my courtroom, but for the fact that you got the ticket out of Southwest Detroit.
Bueno, no tuve yo la oportunidad al comienzo de hoy a explicarle a todas las personas aquí de qué se trata la corte comunitaria, debido a que teníamos tantos casos en la lista. Pero usted está aquí, señor, porque recibió una boleta de infracción en el suroeste de Detroit.
Sí, así es.
Yes, that's so.
Your alphabet judge is Millicent Sherman. You can go there and you're going to get the case adjudicated there if you would like. But if you want to do 12 hours of community service, I'll give you until the end of August to complete those 12 hours. We'll dismiss the case.
Bueno, la juez que le tocaría a usted, según la primera letra de su apellido, se llama Millicent Sherman. Podemos mandar el caso a donde está ella, en la sala del tribunal de ella, o se puede resolver aquí si usted cumple las 12 horas de servicio comunitario, y le darían a usted hasta fines de agosto para poder hacer esas horas de servicio comunitario, y cuando las ha terminado se desestiman todos los cargos.
¿Y para cuándo sería la otra cita?
And when would my next court date be?
Or if you want to do the community service or go to the other judge?
¿Se refiere usted si hace servicio comunitario o si pasa a ver a la otra juez? ¿A qué se refiere?
Sí, para ver la otra juez.
No, to see the other judge.
We'll get you another court date. Millicent Sherman.
Bien, pues entonces le vamos a dar otra fecha para regresar.
Ok.
Stand by, sir.
Espere tantito, señor.
Está bien.
That's fine.
Diego Perez.
Yes.
No Diego Perez.
Diego Pérez, ¿no está Diego Pérez?
Yeah, I got like
Mr. Plata.
Vino, Brian, but I don't have Vino.
Yeah, hello.
Eric Plata.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
You were here before.
Yeah.
Can we get a court date for Millicent Sherman or Mr. Merwin Perez, please?
Okay, sure.
This is the city of Detroit versus Eric Plata, case number SP 132-848-5, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 132-96021. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Plata, state your full name.
Eric Plata.
Good Good morning, Mr. Parker. You waive more formal reading of the information complaint and stand mute, Your Honor, for arraignment purpose.
All right, well, you're not guilty plea on your client's behalf in a $0 bond. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, sir.
All right, what you want to do some community service related to this, or you want to, what do you want to do? Or you want to fight the ticket?
I'll just do community service.
All right, I'm gonna offer your client 12 hours of community service. And with that, I'm gonna dismiss the other two cases, and we'll dismiss this case upon completion of 12 hours of community service.
All right, that's fine.
My client is going to waive rights here and now in order to accept that offer.
All right, let me pass that matter. Let's get Mr. Marwin Perez Bermudo arraigned and get him his information to the other court. Well, let's not do that. Let's take care of Mr. Plata, then I'll get Mr. All right, Mr. Plata, is that what you want to do? You want to take the deal?
Yeah, I'll do some community service.
All right, where are you, sir?
My house, kind of.
Can you put your camera on, please? Can you raise your right hand? Can you take your hat off, please? Thank you. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you have an app? Sir, do you?
Excuse me?
Sir, take your hat off, sir. All right. Do you have, if you're not a United States citizen, you understand that a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Yes, sir.
You understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine.
Yes.
You understand that you have the absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this deal, you're going to give up that trial right.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Okay, so let me draw your attention back to March the 17th, 2022, at around 6:31 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lafayette and Wheelock Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Did they ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
And why is that?
I don't have a driver's license.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm going to order you to do 12 hours of community service. I will dismiss upon completion of 12 hours of community service. With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other two counts.
Stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. I'm going to dismiss counts 1 and 2 of SP 2485. And I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an SP 13296021. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Yeah, 313, 912, 8675.
8675.
Yes, sir.
All right, I need you to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
All right.
That is 313-879-2155.
Yeah, I know that number.
Okay, call them up, Mr. Phillips up this afternoon. Get those community service hours done. And I will give you until August 31st, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. to complete them, okay?
All right, I will.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day.
You too.
All right, thank you. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Marwin Perez Bermudo. Case numbers SP 1339366, counts 1 and counts 2. Appear for the record, please.
Good morning.
El caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Marvin Pérez Verdú, números de caso SP 1339366, cargos 1 y 2. Que digan sus nombres para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Soy Harry Bachman representando al acusado. Señor, diga su nombre, por favor.
Marwin Perez. Marwin Perez.
Marwin Perez. Marwin Perez.
Okay, as a purpose of arraignment, counselor.
We'll waive any more formal reading of the information and stand mute.
Y con respecto a la lectura de cargos, licenciado, bueno, vamos a renunciar que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
Okay, I might enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond, and I am going to send this case to Judge Sherman's courtroom.
Y que le voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente. Le voy a dar una fianza de $0 y voy a mandar el caso a la sala de tribunal de la juez Sherman.
Okay, you have an ink pen, sir?
Señor, ¿tiene usted bolígrafo, pluma?
Sí, tengo.
Yes, I've got one.
All right, that court date will be October 27th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Va a presentarse, usted va a comparecer en esta sala de tribunal el 27 de octubre del 2022 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
The Zoom ID is 360-437-0000.
El número que va a utilizar para la plataforma de Zoom es el 360-437-0000.
Es 360-437-0000.
Is that 360-437-0000?
Correct.
Sí, 360-437-0000.
Okay.
And the telephone number to the court is 313-965-2405.
Y el número de teléfono de la corte es el 313-965-2405.
¿24 qué?
24 what?
05.
05.
If nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a great day.
Si no hay nada más, señor, le deseo muy buena suerte y que tenga buen día.
Pues es todo. Muchas gracias y Dios los bendiga.
If that's it, thank you very much and may God bless you.
And God bless you as well. Thank you.
Y que Dios lo bendiga a usted también. Gracias.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Mr. Martin Plaza Escobar.
Aquí estoy.
I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Buenos días a usted, señor.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Would you like to do some community service, clear this up?
¿Y a usted le gustaría hacer algunas horas de servicio comunitario?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Martin Plaza Escobar, case number SP 1325127-1, SP 1325537, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Martin Plaza Esquivel, números de caso SP13251271 y SP13255371, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Plaza. State your full name, Mr. Plaza.
Soy Elwood Berry Jr. representando al señor Plaza. Diga su nombre completo, señor Plaza.
Sí, mi nombre es Martín Plaza Esquivel.
Yes, my name is Martin Plaza Esquivel.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, le anunciamos que nos dieran los cargos y vamos a guardar silencio.
All right, we'll enter not guilty plea on his behalf. And give him a $0 bond.
Bien, así que voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para él y le voy a dar una fianza de $0.
This offer is going to be whether you have documentation for this vehicle, sir, plates and insurance.
Bueno, y la oferta para él es, bueno, dígame, señor, ¿tiene usted documentación para este vehículo de las placas y de la registración?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you provide the court with that?
¿Y puede usted proveerle sus documentos a la corte?
Sí, esta es la registración y aseguranza, ¿verdad?
Yes, you're asking for registration and insurance, right?
Correct.
Correcto.
Esta es la registración.
Here is the registration.
Okay, that's good, thank you.
Está bien, gracias.
Ok, esta es la aseguranza.
And here is the insurance.
Okay, thank you. All right, 8 hours of community service will clear the matter up.
Bien, gracias.
Red signal.
Entonces, si cumple 8 horas de servicio comunitario, ya con eso podemos resolver el asunto. Y es por haber no respetado una señal de tránsito.
Ok, 8 horas, perdón.
Okay, did you say 8 hours? Excuse me.
Yes.
Sí.
Ok, perfecto.
Okay, perfect.
Need a good phone number from you, sir.
Necesito que usted me dé un buen número de teléfono para usted, señor.
Ok, es 313-414-6838.
Okay, that's 313-414-6838.
All right, you need to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir. That's 313-879-2155.
Y señor, necesito que usted apunte el número de teléfono para el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit. Y ese número es 313-879-2155.
Ok, lo repito. 313-879-2155.
Okay, and I'll repeat that to you. It's 313-879-2155.
Yes, correct.
Sí, correcto.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Berry, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Y señor Berry, su cliente está dispuesto a estar de acuerdo basado en la boleta de infracción. ¿Se acepta la declaración de responsable?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
De acuerdo, señoría.
Will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals of the other matter?
Si su cliente está de acuerdo que hay causa razonable para desestimar otros asuntos. Sí, su señoría. Yes.
All right, I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. I'll allow him to do 8 hours of community service. And I'm going to dismiss the other matters because he provided valid documentation.
Así que encuentro a su cliente culpable del cargo modificado de haber bloqueado el tránsito. Le pido que cumpla 8 horas de servicio comunitario en vez de pagar costos y multas. Y voy a desestimar los otros cargos contra él porque él pudo proveernos con documentación.
So I'm going to give you till August 31st, 2022 to complete those. I'll set that review. If you don't have questions, you have a very good day.
Your Honor, the interpreter here, August 31st.
Correct.
Así que, señor, le voy a dar a usted hasta el 31 de agosto del 2022 para que cumpla esas horas de servicio comunitario y tenga la revisión de su caso.
Perfecto, me parece muy bien. Gracias
Perfect.
por todo.
This seems very good to me. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Have a great day, sir. All right.
Bien,
Mr.
que pase usted muy buen día, señor.
Thank you.
You're gonna have to get up, sir. There's no sleeping. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Stefan Gaines. Mr. Gaines, you still there?
Oh, can he be pulled out?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
Oh, there it is.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Stefan Gaines. We're giving you an opportunity, sir, to go speak with Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Mr. Berry, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he would like to resolve this matter with community service. I would also indicate that he has an ongoing volunteer relationship with the Veterans Administration, and he would hope that you would permit him to do his time there, as it were.
Well, let me say this. The only offer that pretty much the city is offering, and I don't know what Goss is offering now, was a drag racing offense. I think this probably we should just set a trial date. Let's set a trial date. Mr. Gaines, come back on September the 29th, because I'm still not satisfied that there's enough, at least in the remarks of this ticket, that there's enough information to find Mr. Gaines. I can't take a factual basis off of he drove with wanton and willful disregard for the safety of others. And I can't take a factual basis off of that. And I'm not going to, it's the people's burden to apprise Mr. Gaines of what the actual indication of reckless that they have.
Would the court set trial on a community service date?
Well, I can always give him community service. That's not it. I'm going to set a trial date on a different date so that he's not sitting in line like this. He's already, you understand what's going on, Mr. Gaines?
A little bit, but it's like at the same time, my license is going to be suspended that whole time. So it's like.
No, I'm going to allow you to pay reinstatement fee up front.
Okay. Yes,
so
sir.
What you need to do is you need to come down here and you need to pay that $45 as soon as you can. After
Yes.
48 to 72 hours, that'll get to the Secretary of State once you pay it. You have to pay it down here at the window. There's no other way that you can do it. I'm gonna set a trial date for September 29th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
September 29th at 9 a.m. Yes, sir. And I'm on my way to pay that reinstatement fee.
All right, put that in the computer, the reinstatement fee for him. So a $45 reinstatement fee, and then wait 48 to 72 hours and then approach the Secretary of State for the license. Get back with us on December 29th. Is that correct? Not 29th on there? Yes, the 29th. And if you don't have any further questions, I think that's not a good day either. I think I'll be gone. I think I'll be gone on the 28th. Let's
You return on the 29th.
I return on the 29th?
Well, I got it right here. See right here on the calendar. See, say J.
No, that's not, this is for August, this is September.
Oh, this is September. Hold on, let me see.
September, let's come back, let's do it,
Here, September, yeah, but, see in red, we're gonna be gone.
I'm gonna be gone. Let's do this, the next week on October the 3rd.
Okay,
Let's do it
October 3rd, yeah.
I mean, September 31st.
Okay, I'm confused now. Is it October 3rd or?
I can imagine. Yeah, let's just leave the October 3rd date. October 3rd is a
October
trial
3rd,
date
yes, sir.
at 9 a.m., yes.
Okay.
October 3rd at 9 a.m. Okay, yes,
Yes.
sir.
And then come down here and pay that $45 reinstatement fee, all right?
Yes, sir, I'm on my way.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, yes, sir, I apologize for wasting your time. Have a great day.
You didn't waste my time. This is what I'm here for. Have a great day. I appreciate your patience.
Yes, sir.
Rayanne, let's go Moises Bermudez.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Who's your client, Lopez?
It is. He is, Your Honor.
Where is he?
And he's having trouble connecting. Now, I was hoping to waive his appearance. He normally would come to me, but I had a sentencing in recorder's court, which is where I'm at. He wants to do the community service.
I don't see him on the docket, Mr. Bermudez.
Your Honor, it's Chavez at 8:30, the first one. It's Juan Gabriel Lopez Chavez.
No, he's got to come in.
Interpreter on the Spanish.
We'll arrange him. We'll get him back in here. He's got a open-end talk.
Lopez Chavez.
Right. What's the person's name?
Juan Gabriel Lopez Chavez. He's got an open-end talks driver.
That's for the passenger, Your Honor.
He's got an open intox driver. That's what the allegation is.
That's another case, I think.
Is your client Lopez Chavez, Juan Gabriel Lopez Chavez, Mr. Bermudez?
He is, Your Honor. This one's a no-op on person, and I think he picked up another case, which is the one you're referring to.
That's the 102.
Mr. Bermudez, it's 2 counts, an open intox and a no ops. Same ticket.
Oh,
Same
okay.
day.
Sorry about that, Your Honor.
The case is open intox, is a alcohol related offense. As you know, it's 2 points, whether it's driver or passenger. The city does not reduce it any further than that. Is he gonna take those 2 points, or does he wanna go fight the ticket?
Can we do the community service on it?
Yeah, but he's still gonna get the 2 points in the alcohol-related offense on his driving record, because that's gonna be the offer. They're only gonna they're dismiss the no-ops.
Well, let's set it for a pretrial then.
Judge Perkins.
I'm gonna send it to the alphabet judge.
Scheduled for court today.
Okay.
Are you
Which
scheduled
would be
for court today?
courtroom 435.
Okay, you don't have to translate because for the Southwest docket, there's always an interpreter.
All right. I'm gonna call over there and get you another date for this individual.
Who's that, Judge Robbins?
Yeah, but he's not there, and he's on another docket. I think Judge Baltimore was filling in for him.
No way. Judge Baltimore's still here. I'd love to see him.
Yeah, he's been coming back, doing some work. So let's go to 435. The top of 830 is Juan Gabriel Chavez Lopez. Let's get Mr. Bermudez, that's Mr. Bermudez's client. We'll get an arraignment date for that individual / pretrial date. I'll let them arraign.
You on the calendar for theirs today?
No, he's on the calendar for us, 830, top of the 830. Juan Gabriel Chavez.
Oh, okay. I see.
Get Mr. Bermudez another date.
From
435. All right, let's go with, we'll get that date and we'll get that to you in a minute.
I'm calling to get to that. Just
All right, Mr. Perez Rivero.
Brian Perez Roblero.
Señor Pérez Roblero.
Yes, sir. Is it Brian Perez Roblero?
Yes. Can you turn your mic down a little bit?
Yes, sir, I can.
Su micrófono, por favor. I don't think he needs an interpreter, Your Honor. Would you like me to question?
Do you need an interpreter, sir?
No, sir. I'm good. Appreciate you, though.
Do you want to do some community service to clear this up?
Yes, I would like to do community service. I wouldn't mind that.
You need to turn your volume down.
I'm so sorry, sir. My fault. I really can't hear you. That's why.
Right, this is the City of Detroit versus Brian Perez Rivero, case number SP1341915, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Blockman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record, please. Mr. Roblero Perez.
Brian Perez Roblero.
Thank you, sir. We'll waive any more formal reading of the information or complaint for arraignment and stand mute. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. I'll offer him an allowance of 12 hours of community service and dismiss upon.
Hello.
Hello.
Who's on the phone?
¿Quién comparece por teléfono?
All right. You understand that, Mr. Perez Rivero?
Yes, sir. I understand. And where may I do community service?
Yeah, we can do community service and we'll dismiss upon completion of 12 hours of community service.
But when would that be, sir? Like when would how can I explain it? When would I have a date to do the community service?
Well,
or like I'll be scheduled a date?
You'll get Mr. Phillips. You'll call Mr. Phillips and set up some time.
Okay, sir, I understand. Appreciate you.
Now, what's your phone number, sir?
313-469-3705.
569.
313-469-3705. I'm also in the car on the phone too. It's like, I hope y'all can see it.
Is
See the
that
screen
a
too.
469? Oh, you're on the phone here. Yes, 469-3705.
Yes, correct, Your Honor.
All right. You have an ink pen, sir?
No, sir, but you think I could give you a minute so I could find one, please?
Say what?
I don't got one. I could probably just type it down and I'm just going.
All right, Mr. Perez Rivero.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I'm bad. I'm sorry for the delay.
Can you take this number down, sir?
I got the pen. But
313.
yes, so you want me to write down something? My fault for taking a long time. Yes, sir, I can. I'm sorry.
313.
Yes, I can.
215.
Yeah. 8.
Three 879-2155.
Excuse me, can you please repeat that again? I'm sorry, it's because you cut off.
313-879-2155.
8792
155.
Okay, may I repeat it to you, sir? 313-879-2155. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, that's correct. What I'm going to ask you to do, sir, is I'm going to ask you to hang up.
313-879-2155. Got it right.
I'm going to ask you to log off the computer and pick the phone back up and press *6 on the phone and use the phone to talk, okay?
Okay, sir, appreciate you.
You got it on the phone? All right, we lost it. Okay, let's move on. Mr. Bermudez, your client.
Yes, sir, Judge. I'm here.
Has an arraignment.
With
Arraignment / pretrial. He's delayed too. Arraignment / pretrial on October 31st, 2022. In courtroom 435.
October 31st?
Yes.
Judge, October 31st?
October 31st.
At what time?
At 8:30.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day, Mr. Brunez. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right. All right, let's go with the city of Detroit versus Sandro Ramirez Hernandez, case number SP 1333048, counts.
Okay.
1 and SP 1329071. Mr. Hernandez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Así que vamos a llamar el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Sandra Ramírez Hernández, casos SP1329071 y SP1333048. Señor Hernández, ¿puede usted decir su nombre, por favor?
Sandro Ramírez Hernández.
Sandro Ramirez Hernandez.
Okay, Mr. Hernandez, you are allowed to do 18 hours of community service to clear this up. I have confirmation that you did those 18 hours of community service. So with that, I'm going to dismiss SP 1333048 and I'm going to close out SP 1329071. If you don't have any further questions, sir, thank you for your service and have a good day.
Así que, señor Hernández, a usted le habíamos pedido que cumpliera 18 horas de servicio comunitario y he recibido confirmación que usted las cumplió. Ya reconozco y puedo desestimar el caso número SP1329071 y también SP1333048. Si no hay nada más, le deseo a usted buen día.
No, gracias.
No, thank you.
All right,
Thank you.
have a great day, sir.
Y le deseo un buen día, señor.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Brian Perez. Thank you so much.
Israel.
Start on your device, on your phone, press *6 on your phone, unmute yourself, Mr. Perez. All right, let's move on. He's got to get his device together. Gomez, Margarita Gomez, she was here today. Are you there, ma'am?
Margarita Gómez, ¿no estuvo usted aquí hoy?
We did her, Your Honor, I believe.
Say what?
I believe we called her case already.
Yes.
Good. Let's see.
It was early this morning, Your Honor.
Yes.
Oh, she was on. Okay, great. Good. All right. That leaves us with Ruben's case has been called. He's on the device. Mr. Futrell.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I appreciate your patience. Would you like to do some community service to clear these matters up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see if we have our regular stuff. All right. You got to go to Judge Bryant for this illegal entry case. We're gonna get you Judge Bryant's number. You got a warrant out for your arrest on that. You have a license ticket, and you have some many other tickets. Those we can handle. If you want to, we can get you some community service hours to wrap all this stuff up in the one. This is the City of Detroit versus Michael Joseph Futrell, case number SP125-12051, SP125-12071. Let's also call SP8032111. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name, please.
Michael Joseph Futrell.
Good morning, Mr. Futrell.
Good morning.
Your Honor, the defendant wants to waive rights and plead guilty, and so we'll waive any formal reading of the information or complaint and stand mute as is here for show cause.
All right, we will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond, and he says he wants to do community service, but you have cases out there, sir, that are in default, and they've been in default for some 4 years now. I'm going to recall the warrant.
Thank you.
I'm going to bring up Mr. Goss. Where's Mr. Goss? I'm going to have Mr. Goss come down and give me an offer to resolve all of these matters. That way, he can clear all these up at one time and give one global offer. Let me pass the matter. Okay, Ms. Miller, I was gonna, okay, good, there's Mr. Hernandez, great. All right, I was hoping I would make it so you folks would be gone, but I think we'll pass the matter on Mr. Futrell. Thank you, Ms. Miller, we'll have a great day, okay? All right, good morning to you, Ms. Hernandez.
Good morning, everyone. Your Honor, how are you today?
Morning, Anna.
Morning. Hi.
Mr. Jose Reyes.
Señor Jose Reyes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you need an interpreter, sir?
No.
You have an open in-tox motor vehicle driver as well. Let me get Mr. Goss in here to get these offers. Mr. Futrell. Let's see, can we have Mr. Perez unmute himself? Press *6 on the phone.
Abra su teléfono, señor.
No, so far we don't need any interpreters.
Yeah, excuse me, sir. I've been talking for the whole time, and I put *6, but I don't know what happened, sir.
We're good. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Brian Perez Rivero. You indicated that you need community service, right? I'll give you the 12 hours of community service and dismiss the other count, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
I don't got a camera for you to be able to see that.
Well, just can you raise the right hand? Make sure you're raising your
Yes,
right
sir, I
hand,
can.
all right?
Yes, sir, I can.
All right, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear to tell nothing but the truth, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Yes, sir, I understand that.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir, I understand that.
You understand by taking this off, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, I understand that, sir.
You understand that the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir, I understand that.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to April the 16th, 2022.
Okay.
At around 12:32 a.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Burner Highway and Infantry Street.
Yes,
Sir, did you have it on that day to become in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
How did I come in contact with the police department?
Did you come in contact with the Detroit Police Department on that date and time, around that date and time?
Yes, sir.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, I couldn't do so, sir.
Why is that?
All I did was, cause I don't have a valid license, sir. All I showed him was in a Detroit ID. That's all I showed him. A Michigan ID, I think it was, or a Detroit ID. I think was that I showed him, but not a license, sir.
I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter.
Okay.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, for that allowing, I'm going to order you to do 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion. I gave you the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. I want you to call Mr. this afternoon when you get off the phone. And then I want to have you back for a review on 8/31/2022 at 8:25 a.m. All right?
And when would that be, sir?
On August 31st, 2022 at 8:35 a.m. At 8:25 a.m. All right?
8:25 August 31st, you said?
On August 31st. You should have the community service hours done before that time.
Okay, sir. May I ask you one more question, sir?
Certainly.
They gave me the ticket. So after I do the community service, I don't got to pay the ticket, sir, or do I still have to pay the ticket?
No, you won't have to pay the tickets. The tickets will be dismissed.
And what's it called? I heard somebody somebody say Brian Perez. They're gonna have a warrant for his arrest. Is that true? Because I didn't pay because I haven't paid the ticket because they gave me this date to come to this meeting. That's why I couldn't pay the ticket. But
no, you won't have a warrant for the arrest.
Okay, I understand. I'm just making sure, sir. And is that it, sir? Or do I still have to be in the call?
If you have any further questions, contact Mr. Phillips at that number at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center this afternoon.
Yes, I will, sir.
20 minutes.
Okay, yes, yes, I will.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you for serving me today. You have a wonderful day. God bless you.
God bless you as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm doing trial, so oh, I'd like to see that. Yes. So let's go with Mr. Futrell. He has those matters now. The other matters are in default. There are three back in 2018. I was going to allow him to do community service and we'll clear those matters up. We don't need to set the matters aside, but he's got a disregard and a red signal. That's what normally I'm just going to give him the cost of what it is and not late fees and stuff. That's fine with me. Do service as it relates to that. So disregard and a red signal. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Futrell. Did we call the cases into the record?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Disregarding a red signal, let's just say that is, let's say 6 hours of community service for that. Let's say that this department display of place another 6 hours of community service. And then let's give him 5 hours of community service for the no registration. Those will clear those up. Now give him an offer on what we have. We have the, one of them is a 1 to 5 over. How about this? And the 2 improper license, 1 driver while license suspended, improper license. Will the city be amenable just to have him do the 12 hours of community service for allowing and then dismissing the rest, and then he'll do, so that's going to be a total of 12, 24, that's going to be a total of 30 hours of community service.
I'm fine with that, Your Honor. Does that take care of both the license infractions?
Yeah, that'll take care of both license infractions and the speeding. We'll dismiss 1 of the license infractions and the speeding ticket, and then he'll amend the 1 other license infractions to allowing, and then we'll let him do the community service for the other 3 that were in default.
I'm fine with that, Your Honor. And then we set a review date, make sure all the community service is done, and we can close it out.
And we can dismiss the tickets. You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
You have an absolute right to a trial, and you can speak to Mr. Baughman in the breakout room regarding the matter.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take that deal? All right. Well, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, sir, let me draw your attention back to September the 16th, 2021 at around 11:16 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Edward Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
On that date, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, Your Honor.
And why is that?
My license was suspended. I didn't have it.
Okay, I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss SP 125-12051 and SP 8032111.
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. Allowing dismissal of the other matter. Now I'm gonna leave these other cases here, and I'm just gonna, when you get done with the community service, that's I'm gonna order you to do 30 hours community service, sir. I'm gonna give you a review date on August the 31st, 2022. I need a good phone number from you.
313-465-5067.
313-465-5037.
No.
5067.
Yes, 5067.
465-5067. I'm gonna put a note on here. 30 hours of community service will clear up everything.
Thank you.
Now,
and what, can I get that date again?
That
August
date
what?
August 31st, 2022.
I'm sorry, it broke up. One more time.
August 31st, 2022.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
All right, you're gonna write this phone number down.
I have it.
313-879-2155.
Yes, I have it written down.
I want you to write this other information down too, because you need to go see Miss Judge Bryant immediately. You need to call her court and take care of this other matter, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's see, Judge Bryant is, you have an ink pen?
Yes.
All right, the Zoom ID is gonna be 339.
339.
No, strike that. 360-339.
3609. It's 3609.
No, 360-339-0000.
360-339-000.
000. And the phone number to her court, you may want to call them right now before you call Mr. Phillips. It's 313-965-2297.
Okay.
And you have a 2014 entering without permission case, and you need to let them know that and see how you can get a date set for that.
Yes, sir.
All right, if it's nothing further, you have a great day, sir. I'll see you back on August the 31st. Good luck to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a blessed day and be blessed.
You too. All right, so let's do the last person, Jose Reyes. And this is the last person we'll need an offer for. This is one. Oh, he's got more stuff too. He's got this open intox in a motor vehicle passenger. So this one we've already done. He's coming back.
On the ticket.
He had one file. It actually came with two files. Looking at the smaller file.
Okay. I seen the one file, so I put it inside the bigger file.
Yeah.
So you want me to schedule for this date right here, 11/2?
11/2, yeah.
Schedule everything by 11/2. Okay. All right. Thank you.
And then Jose Reyes.
Okay.
All right, we can get him arraigned. We can find out what he wants to do. This is the city of Detroit. I don't know how old this other stuff is. Let's see. It's pretty neat. All of this good. All right. City of Detroit versus Jose Antonio Reyes, case number SP 109-1495, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 124-4830, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 124-4839, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Reyes. State your full name, Mr. Reyes.
Jose A. Reyes.
Are you Jose Antonio Reyes?
Jose Antonio Reyes, yes.
All right, that's the purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute. Do you need an interpreter, Mr. Reyes?
No, I don't.
All right, Mr. We'll enter not guilty plea on Mr. Reyes' behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. I'm going to set aside the defaults do you have a valid driver's license? I mean, have you ever had a driver's license, sir?
Yes, I had it out of Ohio, because I'm originally from Ohio.
You're willing to do community service to clear some of this stuff up?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's get him an offer on this stuff. He's got you might want to do the Michigan defensive driving course. He's got a bunch of infractions. And the open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, the only thing the city amends that to is passenger, right?
Yes, Your Honor. And we can't do any delayed unless it's issued as passenger. So we have to leave it as passenger, can't do any delayed, unfortunately on that. It does give a benefit to the driver, just it's not the driver, it's passenger with alcohol related violation.
Yeah, I see no benefit in the offer because you're relying on the insurance company to say, oh, it's the same 2-point offense. It's going to be the same amount of community service hours, and it's the same alcohol related offense on your driving record. That's one consequence of that, you know, and this is not the forum to hold a trial. Do you want to fight that ticket, sir? If you want to fight that ticket, you can go to your alphabet judge and fight that ticket. And
what would be the outcome if?
What?
What was the offer if I don't fight the ticket?
If you don't fight the ticket, we're going to give you a global offer on all of it to resolve all of it. Let's do that. Let's give him the offer and give him an option, and he can make a determination on what he wants to do.
Absolutely, Your Honor. I'm going to include that open alcohol amended passenger, and then we're just looking at maybe one issue. I don't think Michigan defensive driving course is a bad idea, Your Honor. However, he is speaking to the passenger. And with everything that I do see, it's unsafe manner, and then failed terms. We don't have really any high speeds or careless or reckless.
All right, so just pleading the 2, and then I'll do 18 hours of community service if he wants to eat that 2 points.
Yes, Your Honor. And then you want me to plead him to 2, including the passenger, or 2? I mean, I know it's at my discretion, but is that including, you think, because I know it's street court?
Yeah, so just get him some community service hours and get him to help clean up the community. And hopefully he doesn't sit there reoffending again. That's the whole purpose of this program, sir.
Okay.
Is for you to give back to your community and stop offending in your community. Stop driving in unsafe manners and follow the rules of the road, and stop having open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. If those allegations are true, I don't know if those allegations are true, and I don't want you to answer to that. They have a right to remain silent, and I want you to exercise that right. Now, will you be able to get this hours done? Are you here in Michigan now, full time?
Yeah, I work here, so like I could take a day off here in the week and do community service hours.
All right. Blockading and alcohol passenger.
Yeah, I'm fine with that, Your Honor. I did one more as well, sure, but we're gonna do open alcohol, and I'll try it up, but we can do open alcohol passenger, and then the only thing we're asking, Your Honor, is one charge that we're gonna reduce the blockading, the SP 1244839, and that's driving unsafe manner. The rest of the remainder will be dismissed per agreement of community service and fleet of open passenger.
You're getting a very good deal here, sir. He's giving you a amending. You got a lot of points sitting here if you were to plead guilty or if you were to find responsible for a lot of this stuff. You need to apparently somebody's saying you need to clean up your driving. So you're only gonna this will give you an alcohol related offense on your driving record as the passenger. It'll be 2 points on your license. and then amending one of the moving violations to a blockading traffic. Let's do one more. Let's do one more blocking traffic. Let's do 24 hours of community service. This is a lot sitting here. 24 hours of community service.
Absolutely, Your Honor. And the one that I actually did have, I think it's best because I think it's less than blockading, and I don't think it carries or abstracts as the efficient detective lights.
And that'll equal exactly what we're 6 hours of community service. Yes.
Absolutely.
Let's do 24 hours of community service, and it'll clear this up, and you'll just have the misdemeanor open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger on your record with 2 points on your record.
Okay. Would I still be able to get my Michigan license around here once I clear all this stuff up?
I hope so.
I would make sure, sir, that you don't have anything in any other cities or counties. We would only have it for this jurisdiction being the city.
Your appearance on the record.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Matthew Rosenthal for the people, P84807.
All right. So you have an absolute right to a trial. Who's representing this young man?
I haven't spoken to an attorney, but someone did say they were representing me in the case.
That would be Mr. Berry.
Do you want to speak to the attorney, Mr. Reyes?
No, if that's the deal where I just have to do community service, I think I'll go with it. I'm only gonna have 2 points on my driving record, hopefully in the near future.
And you'll have the alcohol-related offense on your driving record too.
Yeah, that's
all right.
Best deal I'm gonna get.
You sure you want to take the deal or not? I can put you in a breakout room with an attorney.
Well, I'm just gonna have the misdemeanor on my record, right? So I mean that's fine.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand that thank you, sir. You understand that if you're not a United States citizen, the conviction for a misdemeanor offense would potentially implicate immigration issues?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay, sir, let me draw your attention back to September the 3rd, 2021 at around 8:38 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Central Avenue and Dix. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with a Detroit police officer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you in a 2007 Ford?
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol in that vehicle?
Yes.
And was it alcohol open?
Yes, it was open.
And what did you have?
I think it was a bottle of beer.
A bottle of beer?
Yeah.
Was there beer in that bottle, sir?
I'm not exactly sure because it was on the other side, but I believe so.
And you gotta know so, sir.
Huh?
You have to know so.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm setting aside the defaults in these matters of SP 109-1495 counts 1 and counts 2. And for the purposes of the to the open intox passenger, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of open intox passenger and allow them to do community service for that. But that won't be dismissed upon completion. That's just in lieu of the fine that I would have assessed. For the count one of SP 109-14951, I'm gonna find them. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible, please, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, for that SP 109-1495, count one, I'm gonna find them responsible for the improper equipment in lieu of fines and costs. I'm gonna, since Lord allow them to do community service. And for the SP 1244839, counts 1, 2, and 3, I'm setting aside the defaults on all of those. And for the SP 1244839, count 2, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. With the stipulation of probable cause, I will dismiss all the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And we'll close out the matters upon completion of the 24 hours of community service. The SP 109-1495, count 2 is dismissed. SP 1244830, counts 1 and counts 2 are dismissed. And SP 1244839, counts 1 and counts 3 are dismissed. All right, I'm gonna, what's your phone number, sir?
313-412-3133.
3133-313-412-3133. I'm gonna set a review date for August the 31st, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, you call Mr. Phillips at 313-879-2155.
Can you repeat that, Your Honor?
313-879-2155.
Okay.
You can call him, hang up and call him right now. He can get you set up with those community service hours, and then you can get back and we'll close it out like we said we would when you're done.
That phone number, once again, was 313-879-2155?
Correct.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day and good luck to you.
You too. You have a wonderful afternoon.
All right. All right.